Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a clear border on CapCut mobile. Super simple. You are just going to select overlay and add in overlay and select stock videos and add in a white background. Press add and kind of zoom it in a little bit. Then you are going to select mask, select rectangle, and select invert. Then you're just going to make a border out of it. Then you're going to press the check mark button. Go back and select blend and just select the overlay mode and press the check mark button. You can make the border thinner as well and kind of shape it, but I just prefer it like this. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment, and share as well. And if you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!